Oh, chill out, bro. There's cops down here.
Out of me, so when you
did I?
You scared the shit out of me.
Did I?
Yeah, but don't worry about it. It's okay. I'm just saying, know that you're doing that to people because it was enough, man. That I ride myself. What the fuck?
It's the exhaust, huh?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
Know that.
I apologize, man.
Oh, man.
Hey, it's better to be loud and safe though than people not see you. But I'm sorry I scared you. I understand that.
Just like I said.
Yeah.
Because that's a cool bike, and I'm. Fuck you! You got a nice BMW.
Thanks, man. Sorry, bro.
Just FYI, that guy's kind of fun to talk to.
Yeah, I like this. What, you live out of this, or?
No. We just ride it through. Go ahead,
yeah.
man.
All right, have a good one.
Hello, sir. What a beautiful day.
Yes, sir. I'm so tired, bro. I only slept for 2 hours.
Fuck you.
What?
You're not having a kid.
Bitch, you still slept back. I slept for 2 hours, then go back to sleep. What the fuck? Hey, you got a spider right here. You got a spider. Yeah, there's a tornado. Oh, yo. Yeah, he almost kicked the shit out of me. Sexy ass. What the fuck you doing, bruh? I got you, playboy. You were wearing that shit like it was a fashion statement.
Fine.
Good looks, bro. I got that all on camera. I just need the 3 digits on the back.
911. Go buy rags. Actually, can you go give me one real quick?
Yeah, I got you. What they hit for?
Take that top stack.
$7?
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna be that much.
Hello, puppy. Dog has some shit on his head or something.
Angus does it like Brazzers.
Oh, so dusty.
Fucking losing it.
You fucking dare touch mirrors with me, you bastard. Oh, you fixed yours.
When it starts to get full right here on your sack.
And they get cold.
The gas.
It's hot, bruh. This feel like a t-shirt kind of day.
Well, you know my results are negative.
This shit's better be negative, bruh. He got corona.
Hey! Oh my ears! This is ringing.
They did all that for nothing. That light always turns red when that one turns green.
Let's take off.
Hey, chill out, bro. There's cops down here. You dummy. It's really nice. It's like 70, bro. I feel like it's 70.
Perfect sweatshirt rather, man.
Oh, fuck. I'm going this way then. I'll catch you guys later. I got you, bro.